Yeah, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to you. Based on the period of time you are watching my video, I am Coach John EB. My YouTube channel is J.SMART-DIGITALS. Okay, in today's class, I'll be guiding you a few things that you have to know. First and foremost, I will be guiding you on how to design an ID card using your smartphone. Yes, without wasting much of our time, if today happens to be the first day of you seeing my channel, kindly subscribe, hit on the notification button so whenever I release video, you'll be the first person that will see it. All right, let us move ahead. Now, first thing to do, let me clear this design. Let me clear it. I'll be making use of, okay, let me first of all save it. Yeah, ID card back. Let me just save it with anything. Alright, so it has been saved. Now what I want to do is to clear this. Alright, I've cleared it now, right? So the next thing I'm to do is to change the size of the background. This is where to change the size of the background. To change this one to 330 and this one to 530. Good. This is exactly the size of an ID card. Even though you are printing it with your laptop, this is the same size that you'll be having. All right, so it's very simple. I will bring in the resources that I want to use. You can see these are the ones that I've already designed. You can see them, right? So I will bring in the resources that I want to use. I've already downloaded the resources without wasting much of my time. I've already created this from Pinterest. I told you earlier how to get this. So if you don't know how to download this, please kindly go to my previous video and watch it. You'll be able to understand very well. All right, I think this should be okay. So the next thing I'm to do now, please pay attention. I want to teach you as well how to use ruler in designing. How to use ruler in Pixelab. Now please pay attention. First thing foremost is to do on the ruler. On the ruler. This is the ruler of Pixelab. Here now is a ruler of Pixelab. So you have to take on it, click on it. You have on it, right? Now come over here to be able to operate it. Come over here. Are you seeing it? Now click on there. Good. Now you'll be able to shift anyone that you want to make use of. Are you getting me? So you'll be able to shift it so that you align your works very well. All right, so that is 8. Now this one I don't really want it, so I have to okay, let me just shift it there. So here will be the place. Okay, so I have to lock the ruler so that it will be there. Now come over here as well in order to lock it so that it will not be shifting. Come over here, click on there as well. I've clicked on it, so it will not be shifting again. You can see it, right? They will not be shifting again. Now the first thing to do is to type the school. Now anything that you are going to type should not exceed here. Are you getting me? So you should type the school. Even there is even more closer. Or yeah, you should type the school. Let me Federal University of Technology, Owerri. This is a school I'm producing the ID card for. So I'm also using my phone to design it. I don't even have time for laptop. Technology, Owerri. So that is it. So then you can Okay, Department of Physics. Okay, let me pause this thing and type. I believe that you know how to type. Okay, so this is it. Now is the one I will be modeling from. I'm also the one that designed it. So the font I will be using here is called please, I would really like this video to take us not much time. I'll be making use of Roboto board. Okay, this one should be okay, right? So I have to decrease it. Good. Very fine. So then after such, I have to bold it. Go to bold. You will see bold style. This is bold, right? You will see bold style. Let me show you. Come over here. I'm coming. Click on that. Look for bold. Sorry. Look for bold, please. This is style. You will see bold there, right? This is bold. This thing here. Click on it. You see B. Click on B. So the thing will be bold. So after such, please let us bring this our ruler more closer. Good. You can then off it. So after such, you bring in the logo of the department. You bring in the logo. So that's the logo I'll be making use of. It's not as if this logo is their logo, but I'll be making use of this logo. So you make sure that you place them on the ruler so that it will match. Okay, so after such, you can just bring in this, increase the radius, bring it up here. Nice. Okay, you can just copy this font and they come over here and they type student ID card. So you type it, change this font to blue, change it to blue. Now you can see that it's making more sense, right? You can just decrease this and increase the fonts. I may not get exactly what I did, but I'm kind of trying to pass information on how I did it. So after such, you bring in a shape for the ID card. Shape, you can make this one to be blue. You can make it to be blue in color. So after such, you go to texture. Look for texture. Look for what? Texture. Click on texture. Import an image from texture, please. I know the reason I'm importing it from texture. Okay, let me just, I will be using my picture here. Okay, this is my picture. So I'll be using one by one square. This particular one, I'll be making use of it. So you click on there. So you have to choose the one that the style that will be okay. Okay, though it may not match, but I know what I'm doing. So remember, I'm coming from where? Oh, it has started disturbing. So if you did it the first time and it didn't work, so all you have to do is go back and redo it. Delete that shape and bring in another shape. Then you can edit the shape from here. Increase the radius from here. Change the color from here. though the color may not change, but let's try. Okay, it's changed. So after such, but this is not the color they said I should use, but there is no challenge. Let me just change it to red. Okay, so but there's no challenge. So then the next thing you have to do is to, and this radius is too much, 10 should be okay. Okay, so the next thing you have to do is to put a stroke on it. Put a stroke on it. Put a stroke on it. Maybe a blue stroke or a black stroke. Okay, let me use the same color I'm using. This stroke should be okay. Okay, so after such, you then have to type other things. So with that, I've already given you hints on how to do all these things and how to put images through texture and how to align your works using what? Ruler. So that will be true for today. I'll be true for today. So if you have not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, do it, subscribe, so that you'll be able to understand more things as I drop. So kindly await for the next video where I'll be dropping how I designed the back of the ID card. Okay, so thank you very much. Do it to subscribe, and click on the notification button so that whenever I drop the video, you'll be the first person that will say it. Thank you. Expect the next video for the back of ID card. Thank you.